Everyone, just wanted to give a quick tutorial on how to navigate through Mr. Finkill's Canvas page and just some of the basics so you know what's happening and how it works. Uh, Great place to start is the announcements page. Now when you come to my Canvas page, you'll see this as our home page. Gives you a list of maybe upcoming assignments that might be due or need to be done. You click on announcements. Each Monday morning at 9 o'clock we'll post the weekly announcement, focusing on the 2 days from that week. It also gets emailed to students automatically. Here you'll see the list of announcements. Here's one for this week, May 12th and 14th. I post any information that they need. Usually I'll have the link to the weekly Zoom session will be there. I'll also have a link to each activity page for those week's assignments. And I'll post a video telling you exactly how to do it and walking you through step by step how to do the assignment. So if you don't have a chance to email me, just watch the video. It'll explain to you exactly how to do the activities that I want you to do that particular day. The Canvas course is set up in modules. When you click to the page called modules, modules are basically just a set of links that are posted there. And the links might be a page with activities on it or an assignment that would ask the kids to do something or turn something in, like a check for understanding, a quiz, or an actual assignment. On the modules, I'll title everything the same. The activity pages will be the pages that have what to do that day. It might have some things to read through, Google Slides, a PowerPoint, different activities for the students to do. And I'll show you what a page like that looks like. I'll be very clear what I want the students to do on these pages. There'll be a video again describing exactly what to do on these pages. And I break it down like this: read, write, and think about. Tells you exactly the instructions for that particular day. This is talking about our final Civil War project. Then usually at the bottom, I'll have something that says, show me what you know. In this case, there wasn't an assignment to do, but lots of times there'll be an assignment to complete. I'll show you that on another page. For May 14th, we will have a learning assignment. Here's what it might look like. It might take the form of a quiz, a check for understanding, I call it, which you just have to try to take it as many times as you want to get a 90%. It might also be another type of assignment where you might have to turn in a document or answer a question. Each one of those online learning assignments will be a graded assignment. And I'll always, in the modules, they'll always be titled with online learning assignment and the date that it's going to be assigned. But again, you can complete these anytime and no points are deducted for lateness. You can also email me if you'd like some instructions how to connect as a parent/family member to your student's Canvas page so you can see all those things. Last thing just to mention is Home Access Center, how it's set up. You can see it right here. All assignments are posted each week and are counted as 1 point. If the assignment has a 1 in it, that means the assignment has been completed. If the assignment has an NHI for the score, that means it hasn't been done. And if it is left blank, that means it's been done, but something needs to be fixed on it. Maybe it wasn't completed or there's a technical difficulty. And in the Canvas assignment for that particular assignment, I'll have commented to the students to tell them exactly what they need to do to get that in. If you have any questions, feel free to email me, and looking forward to helping us all get through this online learning time. Thank you.